Hello, yes. Welcome to Ease for You channel. Today I'm going to explain about the macro. So this is one of the topic of the advanced Excel concepts. So in this topic, I'm going to tell you about how to create a macro and how it works. Let's start today's topic. So when we having something like the student marks and the same student marks to be saved in another sheet the as a records. So the macro concept will help us to do this task easily. So first of all, let us create a table of students' marks. In the getting a table, I think this is a form of the student. I'm merging series. So here I'm entering the values. Student number one, name, months, date, penalty, social, imagine these are the marks we have to manually so for this, finding the total of the marks, I'm using some formula here. The marks obtained. Make the border. Now, so this is the table we have created, and I'm creating macro now. Okay, let us see how it is. Just taking going to developer option tab and I'm going to insert and here I'm selecting the button. Okay, so using form functions, I'm just creating a button to clear the dashboard. So just click on the button. Here to rename the button. So it's clear. So now I'm creating a macro to clear this dashboard automatically. So this action has to be done every time. So I don't need to select all the information every time and to clear this information. To do that, I'm creating a macro which same task mean I'm not able to do same task multiple times. So I'm going to create a macro for this clear the task. Just click on macro. So here. You can also give your description of this macro. I'm just removing all the data. So the topic, except the topic, I'm just removing all the data. Okay, this is what actually I wanted. Okay. So just talking. So now the macro has been created to create information. Let us, I need to apply that to this task. Just click on right click on the button, click on macro in assign macro, select the clear, save it. Now let us see. I'm just updating the information to another tool. So I don't need to clear now. I had a data, under the data. Here, since I created a macro, so I just simply click on clear button because I applied the macro to the clear this button. And once I click on the clear button, the data enter the data, what I enter here will be clear. Just see. Get it. So I no need to do the same task every time. Okay, so just you can simply click clear. So this is how the macros work. And another advantage of the macro, they're storing the data and entering the mark in another page, in another sheet. So let us see it in a create data. This is um, so what actually I need this student information in another tab to store the entire data. I just copying information, uh, make the table. So now we can see the information. So, so, so let me enter the information. And I need what actually I'm going to do here. So what are the data I'm entering into here that needs to be stored in the table. Student number, student number one, and here uh, we can record 88 months, 76, so to do this task, what actually I wanted actually here this information what I entered here, the data needs to be stored in the separate table. Okay, in a column wise. Well, let us see how I am going to do that. So for doing this task, I'm just running a macro because the same task has to be done every time. I don't need to copy every information into another tab, right? So so I'm just doing the same first. Here just copying this data. First of all, we need to record a video, mean macro. So I'm just click on record macro. So I name it as a store data. What I'm going to do here, I'm just copying that information manually into here. When So here I just stored all the data. You can see that. So I just stopped recording. So I'm just creating a button for that. Assigning this the button is data. Button name will be so. You can also save. So let's click on it. Okay. Let us see, since we've already added one record, let us see. Let me remove this number because I already updated this information. So I'm just clicking on, since I have the data has to be placed over here. So by clicking on save data, you will see the entire information being saved there. Understand? So let us do another task. So by clicking on here, I'm doing another table, another marks, student marks. Please. So by simply clicking on save button, the entire data store will be stored over here. I hope you understand this concept, and this I hope this will be helpful to you, and you've been learning on this by looking up this video, you've been learning something new. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.